Many people, including myself, are holding Solana as a long-term investment, and if that is yourself, this is not a video that you want to miss. Even if you're holding Solana more for the mid-term rather than the long-term, it's still going to be beneficial, because in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can be making more Solana passively with just a couple of clicks of a button. Now, there is no doubt that Solana has the reputation of being the layer one of meme coins. The ecosystem is flooded with meme coins, especially now due to Pump Fun, but there are so many different projects, different protocols out there that actually add value to the Solana ecosystem, genuine value and not just speculative meme coin hype. Now, if we take a look here on DeFi Llama and we take a look at the leading platforms and projects when it comes to total value locked, we'll see a few familiar names. You've got the likes of Camino leading the way with a 3.86 billion TVL. You've got Jupiter on there, Jupiter Exchange, of course, being the most popular exchange in the Solana ecosystem with a $2.2 billion TVL. But the project that we're going to focus on in today's video is Marinade, currently sat in 6th place with a TVL of 1.6 billion. And Marinade essentially allows you to stake your sol to earn passive rewards. But before we go any further with this video, I want to make it very clear that I am a partner of Marinade Finance, but they have not paid me to specifically put this video together. The reason I partnered with them is because I actually really like their product. I stake myself on the Marinade platform, so for me it made a lot of sense to work alongside these guys, and it also was just right for me to share this video, because when I see a good product out there, I think it's worth sharing. You know, we see so much meme coin hype these days, and I think it's important to remember that there are very good teams out there building very good stuff. Alright, so the first thing I want to go through in detail is this thread that I put together a couple of weeks back on X, because I just basically broke down all of the key components and good stuff going on with Marinade, and it also makes sense to why it's not just specifically focused on long-term holders. So this was a thread for Solana holders, much like this video, and why you should consider staking on Marinade, even if you don't plan on holding forever, which is the key here. So first of all, we kind of go through those TVL stats that we just discussed. You know, Marinade was at the time offering an 8.5% APY. Of course, that is flexible, and we'll have a look at the current APY very shortly, but they do have the 6th largest TVL in the Solana ecosystem, which is still the case. But what I focus on here and what I mention is how easy it could be for them to jump up to number 4 above the likes of Sanctum and Radium, because, you know, the gap isn't too large, and that is still the case right now on the time of recording. Moving on from that, we can see some more good stuff around Marinade's growth. We can see that within the Solana dApps, they have the second highest user growth over the last 30 days at 411%. So we can clearly see that Marinade is getting more and more popular by the day, which is great to see. I think the team really deserve it. Now, this is the important one for me, and I'll explain why. So one of the most attractive features is instant unstaking. Now, it is in beta right now, but this is something that a lot of people have been waiting for. So I've said here, gone are the days where you have to wait 2 weeks to get your coins back like we see on other chains and dApps. Now, if you was around maybe early 2024, late 2023, when the whole airdrop farming hype was really at its peak, you'll know that you were staking for airdrops, but sometimes it would take 2, 3, even 4 weeks on some chains and platforms to get those tokens back once you have unstaked, which is ridiculous, because of course, if you want to sell relatively quickly for whatever reason, whether it be your opinion on the market has changed, whether it be for personal circumstances, not being able to get that money back for a few weeks is pretty bad. Whereas now Marinade have made it possible to basically get that money back, then Solana back, instantly. So this is something that I think was just kind of accepted, that we don't see our money for a little while once we unstake, but you know, hats off to Marinade, they've changed kind of the standard there. So that is exactly why I believe it's great for shorter term holders as well, not just long term holders. Now, of course, the longer you hold, the better the rewards will be, they'll start to stack up. but it doesn't rule anybody out, because if you need to sell urgently, it's no longer a problem, which I mentioned here. Now, on the other side of things, you know, when it comes to that's us as retail, you've also got big moves going on in the institutional world. So fairly recently, Marinade was included in the Canary Capital ETF filing with staking, which was huge. You know, it really does put a good brand on the Marinade name, because that is exactly what you want to see. They're clearly, you know, these guys will be doing their research in depth. They'll know that they are a good option to move forward with as part of this ETF filing. So that's really good to see. It really does, you know, boost the credentials there for Solana and for Marinade more specifically. So that's great to see. And following on from that, we've seen that the SEC reviewed ETF filings with native staking to not be a security. So we've seen a lot of advancements with crypto this year since Trump has come into office. Maybe price doesn't reflect that yet, but we've seen a lot of forward moves when it comes to regulation and stuff like that. You know, Coinbase making a lot of big moves, a lot of different cryptos not being listed as securities, and this is just another one that really works in Marinade's favor. So that's great to see. And then of course, security is a huge thing, because when you are staking, you know, there's always the risk that if there is a hack on the platform or whatever it may be, that you could lose some Solana. I mean, the good thing here, and we'll go into it a bit more when looking at the website shortly, but the good thing with Marinade is that they have had six audits over since 2021 from a bunch of different auditors, and, you know, things have worked out very well. And on the back of that, the platform is currently trusted by 150,000 plus SOL holders and institutions. So, you know, when a project starts to build this kind of reputation, you do start to feel more and more comfortable. But of course, you have to understand any risks that comes with using such platforms. So that was kind of the thread that I put out. And, you know, as I'm reading through it, it feels like I'm just really shilling Marinade hard. And to be honest, I am to an extent, but only because I actually see value in it for people like myself, people like you guys, who rather than having their Solana sat there doing nothing, can actually have it earning for them, which is what everybody wants. Now we'll take a look at the Marinade website, and we're not going to go through every last detail, but there are a few key things that I want to point out before we do a quick tutorial of actually staking on Marinade and how easy that process is. So at the top of the website, the first thing to point out is the APY, currently sat at 7.83%, and it does fluctuate slightly, but it is pretty much better than all competitors out there the majority of the time, which we'll look at in a moment. But like we mentioned, over 150k holders staking with Marinade, which totals up to over 11 million Solana, which is huge. And of course, that reflects in the TVL that we looked at earlier in the video. Now, if we scroll down and look at the kind of competitor analysis, if you will, with Marinade Native's current 7.83% APY, compared to Gito, currently at 7.11%, it's pretty much always outperformed Gito over the last kind of 6-7 months or so. So that's great to see, because obviously Gito is a big name in the Solana ecosystem as well. Moving on to other big names, you know, very quickly, we've got Binance staking, pretty much outperforming that the whole time. You've got the likes of Ledger. I think Ledger had a quick upside at the end of January where it was actually beating Marinade, but since then, you know, Marinade has been leading the way. And a very similar story with the likes of Coinbase, where it kind of had a blip above but then back below. And don't get me wrong, there are not huge numbers in this, but it's fair to say that Marinade is pretty much consistently performing that little bit better. And of course, if you're staking relatively larger amounts, these little numbers are going to make a fair difference. Now, scrolling down a little bit further, just covering a couple of different things here. What I like about it, and we did mention this in the thread, was the security audits. Of course, security is a huge thing, not just in crypto, but more specifically with staking as well. The DAO governance, I mean, $0 venture capital raised. I always love, you know, a bootstrapped project, much like Hyperliquid. You know, I really like when there isn't too much VC money involved and stuff like that. So hats off to the team from building this, from the ground up, sorry. And then of course, one thing that I really do like is community involvement and how they don't feel like they've got too big to ignore their community and their loyal users. You know, they do have a bounty program in place because they do have a minimum payout of 15k. If anybody can actually report any genuine vulnerabilities, they will be compensated for that. And even a little thing here, you know, in the bottom left hand corner, you know, the chat box, and you can, you know, share feedback, stuff like that. They're also open to it on social media, you know, X, Telegram. So really staying true to their roots, and I think that kind of bootstrapped approach does lean into that as well. So yeah, the website, I will leave of course a link down below in the description so you can check it out in more detail for yourself, do your own research, that kind of stuff. I always advise that regardless of the product or the token or whatever it may be. So yeah, check it out if you are interested, but we will run through a quick tutorial now. So a very, very easy and straightforward process to get staking with Marinade. So you're going to see the two buttons on the website here. First of all, institutional, you know, that doesn't apply to us, but great to see Marinade making big moves in that department. So we're just going to click stake now, and it's going to take you to the native staking page. Now, if you've staked before, this is going to feel very familiar, which is good. You want that user experience to be as straightforward as possible. There's no real need to be overcomplicating things here. So once you've done this, you're going to connect your wallet. Mine is already connected here, but basically it is the same as you would connect a Phantom wallet, a MetaMask wallet. You know, if you've used other dApps in the past, very straightforward. You'll just authorize for the connection, and that is it. Your wallet will be connected. Now, I've put just 1 sol into this wallet just for the purpose of today's tutorial. So basically you'll be able to click max or input the amount. I'll just put 1 sol in here. You'll be able to either go on the max yield, which will automatically just put you into the best validators at that point, or you can click select, which is a new feature, which is a curated set of verified validators. So again, if you are staking a larger amount and you feel a little bit uncomfortable with it, this just again reduces that risk and puts you at ease that little bit more, because it will use a verified list of validators rather than just kind of any validator with the best APY there. So that's something to also consider, especially if you're, you know, really over the top with security, or you're you know, staking with larger amounts. So in this case, I'll just be staking 1 sol. I'll click that, I'll get the prompts in the wallet, I'll confirm that, and that's pretty much it. You know, like I said, if you've done this before, you'll know how simple and straightforward this process can be. And it's the same here with Marinade. They don't need to overcomplicate things, and that is exactly what you would expect. Now, when it comes to unstaking, I did mention that the unstaking process is currently in beta, but even if you don't use the instant unstaking, if it's not available, you know, it's only going to take 24-48 hours at this point. We're not talking 2, 3, 4 weeks like it used to be. So definitely important to keep that in mind. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you guys, for those who are not familiar, maybe for those who are beginners who want to put their Solana to work to earn them more Solana, that it is a very simple and straightforward process. Now, like I said, the link will be down in the description. Just please be careful of phishing links, scam links. You know, if you're not sure of things, you know, go onto their official website, go through the official X account, use CoinGecko, these kinds of platforms to make sure that you keep safe. So that pretty much wraps up the video. Hopefully it is useful for those of you who are holding Solana. Now, the current situation with crypto, it isn't great, it isn't pretty, there isn't too much great stuff going on, but I think it is a good time to be focusing on other stuff, for earning passive income, for airdrop farming, you know, all this kind of stuff going on whilst price action is relatively boring, and you know, you're not too occupied watching your bags just going up and up and up. So great to focus energy elsewhere and just position yourself in the best way possible before things do really kick on again. If you did enjoy the video, do drop a like, do subscribe. Like I said again, the description will have the link to the Marinade website if you do want to stake. I'll also leave a referral link in there as well. If you did find the video helpful, it would be much appreciated if you do use that referral link. But I'll give you the option, they'll both be down there. And yeah, in the meantime, just trade safe, invest safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.